Hello and welcome everyone to in this new video where we are going to solve another new problem of LeetCode. Today's problem is based on linked list basically. So you can see here today's problem is this remove duplicates from sorted linked list. Here we have given a linked list and what we have to do, we have to remove duplicate from this linked list. So let's understand first what we need to do and what are the things that we have to do. So you can see here like that you have given a linked list like 1 1 and 2, three elements are there. Okay, now what you have to do, so here you can see in this linked list we have these two elements that are duplicate to each other, like this one and another one is this one, like this. What we can do here, as we know the structure of linked list contain only the head. Okay, and on the basis of that head we will perform all kind of operation in a particular linked list. So here you can see the head element is what? Head element is this one. So this is the head element of our linked list, head of our linked list. So now what we have to do, we have to do one thing, firstly we will have to traverse on this full linked list, and while traversing in this list we can initialize that new node. We can consider like a temporary node and we just initialize that with head node and just traverse on whole list. And while traversing we'll do one thing, whenever the value of that temp node is equal to the value of the next of that temp node, when this condition will satisfy, then we'll have to remove. And how we'll remove, we'll do only one thing. Like you can see here the duplicate element is one and this one, both are duplicate. And what we'll have to do, we'll have to remove one from here. When we will remove one, then our linked list have only two elements, this 1 and 2, and there is no repeating elements available over here. We have just this linked list. Okay, and here will have like two, like here we can see this 1 and 1 is duplicate, this one is duplicate, so we'll have to remove this one firstly, and then our linked list will be like this. Our linked list will be like this, and after that we'll have to remove this 3 from here, and after removing this 3 our final linked list will be 1 2 and this one 3. This will be our final linked list. So like this, on this manner we will just have to do this one. So let me do the code of this one. Like firstly what we will have to do, we have to traverse on whole linked list. So what we can do, firstly we'll have only head node. So if you will just traverse on by using this head node, then we will have in the last we'll just what we'll have to return. Then if we just traverse with the help of head, then our head will be moved to the last of the linked list in such cases. So we'll have to make a temporary node basically. List node, let we give name as temp, and in this we'll just copy head, that's it, and we'll just perform all kind of operation on this one temp variable. So what we'll have to give condition, firstly temp should not be equal to null, and temp dot next should also not equal to null, and then we will have to perform this kind of operation. When temp dot value is equal to temp dot next dot value, then we'll have to do what, then simply we'll just have to do one thing, temp will be temp dot next will be temp dot next dot next, that's it. Okay, and if the value of temp variable is not equal to the next value, then we'll simply do one thing, remove our temp will be equal to temp dot next, that's it. And in the last we'll just do one thing, return head, that's it. Let me run this one. Okay, Yeah, you can see here our code is running over here. Our code is simply following the structure of like this. Like this is our temp node, which is basically head, and we just make a temp node and just initialize the value of head on into temp node. So this is our temp node, and just firstly we will see like temp dot value, like the value which is it has, that is 1, and that will equal to temp dot next value. The temp dot next is what? Temp dot next is this, and the value of this one is also 1, so the condition of that one is satisfied. So temp dot value is equals to temp dot next dot value. So on that case, what we will do, we'll just simply do this one. This one will have to remove this one. Okay, so we will do a very simple thing, like the connection is like now is like this to it, and then to it, and now we will do one thing, like in this case, like we will just do one thing. Temp dot next will be now what, now this one is temp dot next, and we will just do temp dot next this one. So temp dot next will be what? Temp dot next, like this we will do here. Temp dot next will be temp dot next. So this is the thing. And else if there is no such kind of elements is available, like if the value will be same in second case, like here 1 and 2. So here temp dot value is not equal to temp dot next dot value. So here we just move on else case, and temp is equals to temp dot next, that's it. And in the last we'll just returning the head, and our code is working like that, very simple. And now we are going to submit it. Yeah, it's submitted. Okay, that's it. So this is the way, like how we can solve and how we can remove duplicate element from a sorted linked list. In this manner you can solve this kind of questions, and you can easily remove duplicate from a sorted linked list. That's it. This is the solution of this.